Alrighty, so I took some samples, my kick, snare, hi-hat, and alternate hi-hat, took them from a drum loop, and here it is. Alrighty, so now I'm going to record something on about 90 BPM. That sound is a metronome, by the way. You can't really see the recording. So that was the kick and the snare I just recorded. Now onto the hi-hat. Then after this, the alternate hi-hat, the slightly lower one. You can tell I'm kind of off tempo right now, and or at least when I was tapping those hi-hats, and the reason why is it'll quantize itself. I'm usually not this bad. I'm going to fix it right now by going in here. You can see where it's off. There's 2-2, and then it goes back on the beat, so I'm just going to fill in there, and it actually sounded better. So I left that, but otherwise I would tend to be more accurate. I'm just trying to make a quick video. Alright, so that's the finished recording, and now we'll go into Master Effects, and I do filter, and pitch a little bit,